My name's Andrew Stotts, and I'm going to teach you one tip of how to win at the CFA Research Challenge. I'm a CFA charter holder. Can you imagine that they used to give charters this big? I got it up on my wall. Now, I'm going to tell you a story about what I saw in 2012. The team coming from Thailand, Thammasat team, was in New York City for the global finals of the CFA Research Challenge. And they were facing three other teams. All three of those teams were students that were studying their master's degree. You could imagine how intimidated the team was from Thailand. The playoff was happening at the Bloomberg offices in New York City. And I happened to be there for work, so I stopped by to cheer on the Thai team. And at the end, I knew they had done a tremendous amount of work, just like the other teams. And they asked me, what was your advice? And I said, I'm going to give you one tip, and that's it, of how to win the research challenge. And they said, what's that tip? Right at the last minute. And I said, are you ready? And they said, yeah. And I went like this. You got it. What I told them is smile. Bring positive, happy energy to the challenge, to the judges. Let them feel your passion and your excitement about the topic and about your company. Don't just rattle off numbers. EBITDA, EV to EBITDA. Look at the PE of this company, the earnings growth, right? That's what young people think to bring to the competition. But what you need to bring is passion, happiness, and a positive attitude, and most importantly, a smile. So now you've got my number one tip for how to win in the research challenge. Good luck and have a great day.